Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My hobby is gardening, and I have grown a beautiful garden in my house, and it is divided into two parts. One of which is for flowers and herbal plants of different varieties. I look after my plants and water them daily. I keep the spot neat and clean. Colors and fragrance of flowers are sources of pleasure for me. Sometimes I invite my friends to visit my garden, and they also a second half of my garden. And I grow vegetables and many more seasonal fruits and vegetables. I grow tomatoes and some seasonal vegetables in it. Daily, I pluck 2 or 3 tomatoes and eat them raw. And I too grow carrot and radish in my small garden. They taste very refreshing and tasty. My garden is very useful to me. It keeps me busy and saves me from useless gossips. And I am proud of my beautiful garden. And the other way, the gardening is a good hobby, and so on. And I look up to my plants and water them daily. I invite my friends to visit my garden, and gardening is a good and bestest hobby. Gardening is a very pleasant, rewarding a hobby. Some nature lovers have a hobby of a gardening, and because they love nature, scenic beauty. In gardening, people grow different types of plants, shrubs, bushes, and flower blossom. Plants and trees are an essential component of our life, and gardening is top hobby. Lots of people love to do gardening. Thanks for watching.